Welcome to another exciting Winking Owl tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to incorporate multi-channel into your routes to provide an exceptional customer experience. Before we dive in, what is multi-channel? Multi-channel is the strategy of being where your customers are. At Winking Owl, this means incorporating multiple channels into a single engagement path. Let's configure a multi-channel route step by step. In the Commands section, you can schedule actions on different channels, such as sending a follow-up SMS after an email. Now, let's see how to schedule SMS and emails into your route. You can customize messages, set times and conditions to ensure a smooth experience. Here you have a practical example. This way you will get a virtual user to send a confirmation email and then a follow-up SMS for a complete experience. And there you have it. With this example, you already have the basic concepts to create an effective multi-channel in Winking Owl. What are you waiting for? Visit our website and discover how Winking Owl's multi-channel approach improves customer satisfaction and strengthens your business relationships. Winking Owl. Smooth journeys, happy customers.